Brother Rashid?
Yes, please.
So say goodbye to barwakhali.com.
Goodbye.
It's called Barwakhali.
Marwa.
Yeah,
Marwa.
barwakhali.com.
Marwakali. Marwakali.com. Goodbye.
Goodbye, yes, barwakhali.com. Yes. Brother Rashid is সে বলতেছিল সে বিয়ে করে নাই, তার কোনো বাচ্চা কাচ্চা নাই এবং বাচ্চা কাচ্চা পছন্দ করে না। তারপর how old are you, brother? 60.
64. This
64.
year.
এবং সে 5টা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ জানে, জার্মানিতে বসবাস করছে দীর্ঘদিন।
My number.
Do you remember?
216.
So 00
216.
216
98
98
50
50
40
40
92.
92. And you can carry 8 people, right?
Yes.
8. And you can take them around
All over
every city.
Tunisia.
And you're experienced driver as well. You can show them around, right?
I used to be heavy lorry driver in France.
In Paris?
In outside Paris, but I go all over Europe.
All over Europe as well. Okay. Good luck. Very nice talking to you, brother Rashid. Inshallah, we'll be in
Inshallah.
touch. We'll catch up again.
You're welcome, brother.
Okay.
Anytime.
This is Sus. I love Sus. SOUSSE. ভালো থাকবেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।